I have logged into my Coinbase.com and I want to show you how to earn crypto with Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the biggest exchanges in the world, and it's available on the stock market, the US stock market, under the ticker COIN, COIN. It basically its main competition is Binance, and I would say that they're pretty close, although in the US, Coinbase is bigger. Um, there's a good chance that Facebook is going to be using a Coinbase wallet when they release their own currency, their own cryptocurrency. Another thing to consider about Coinbase is if you want to buy from Coinbase, you have two ways. You can do it from Coinbase, the standard site, with this button right here, or you can use Coinbase Pro, which is a free app that charges closer to 1%, whereas this charges closer to 10%. So massive, massive savings if you buy and sell frequently. If you should use Coinbase Pro. Now back to this. The section in the middle, I've blacked out. This shows you just your portfolio, your assets here, and the balance here. And you can change the the time frame. You can see all time to most like 1 hour, and you see changes down there. Whatever, that's not important. How to earn money, borrow money. Okay, that's something. Interest. That's by having certain cryptos on their platform. They give you a little bit of interest. And learn and earn. Learn and earn is what we're going to talk about today. How to earn crypto rewards. From staking to lending, 5 of the best ways to grow your crypto. One, Coinbase Earn. I'm going to show you that today. There is a new Coinbase Earn um, quiz available. Learn and earn kind of thing, like Coin Market Cap has. Stake crypto. That's when you just have it here. They hold it, and you get a small percentage. Currently, uh, ETH, Ethereum is earning 5% interest. Tezos, Cosmos, Algorand are also stakeable, but they're not earning that much interest. Turn dollars into stable coins. When you hold certain stable coins on this platform, you do get some interest. Lend your crypto with CeFi. I haven't done that yet. Centralized finance. I haven't done that yet, but that's an option. So um, that's actually lending it to other people. And DeFi. That's the same as this, except interest is going to be higher and is going to be less safe. So centralized finance, CeFi, decentralized finance, DeFi. So you can use CeFi right through Coinbase.com/lend, and you can use DeFi through the Coinbase wallet, which is downloadable on the App Store and stuff like that. So another way to earn money is with Coinbase rewards. Now, I'm going to go back now to this homepage. Now here, I access this article from the For You section, but you also have the Learn and Earn section right there. Let's check that out. There is a new quiz. So it's called Bounce Token, and the ticker is auction. How do these lessons work? When you have a lesson available, basically you just have this here. Bounce, a decentralized auction protocol that allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and NFTs. And when you're done reading, you can switch it or it'll switch automatically. Bounce's cross-chain auction app gives buyers and sellers a choice of 4 auction types. The first is an English auction. It's used for NFTs. It starts with a minimum reserve price. Once met, further bids can be made. An NFT is sold to the highest bidder. The second is a Dutch auction. It allows users to trade any quantity of tokens. The asset's price is periodically reduced until all assets are sold. Third is a sealed bid auction where bids are not disclosed and the auction ends. Bids are filled starting with the highest until all tokens are distributed. Finally, it's a fixed swap auction. Buyers and sellers agree to swap ERC20 or VEP20 tokens for a predetermined price. ERC is Ethereum, BEP is Binance. What is Binance? So, now, as you can see, once you finish one part of the quiz, the crypto gets sent to your wallet and it appears instantly. Then the next part of the quiz begins, and same thing. Most quizzes are 3 parts, and nowadays they pay you $1, 1 USD worth of the crypto for each question. This Learn and Earn was about Bounce, which is a auction um, token, and you can use it to buy and sell NFTs and a lot more, as you can see. But they're adding quizzes like these fairly regularly, not consistently. I mean, you could have two in a week. You could not have a quiz for several weeks, but they'll have another one soon. Other aspects of Coinbase Earn were staking, and that's when you just leave your crypto on Coinbase and you get rewarded for it. And then there was lending, when you let people short your crypto or trade your crypto and then pay it back with interest. And kind of like a bank with centralized. The centralized one that Coinbase offers is like a bank, and decentralized is more risky. You're not giving it to another person generally. You're giving it to a decentralized exchange, which is completely unregulated and therefore more risky, because they are giving it to people in the end, just like centralized exchanges. But it's pretty complex. But there are different ways to earn on Coinbase. If you want to join and you haven't, you can follow my link in the description. If you're already on Coinbase, then check it out. And don't forget, if you want to buy and sell for cheaper, then you want to use Coinbase Pro. I guess that about wraps it up. Thanks a lot, and I hope you hear from me soon.